Have you ever wondered what the best Skillshare courses are out there for designers? In this video, I'm going to be showing you all of the best Skillshare courses that I've used that you can get today for free. Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, Paterson, and welcome back to a new video. High five. As I said, today I'm going to be showing you some of the best Skillshare courses that I have taken as a designer. If you don't know who I am a graphic designer and a hand lettering artist that makes all these videos for you online, helping you grow in your creative walk and to show you things that you may not know yet. And if you're like me, I am completely self-taught, but I own my own business. I do logo designs for different companies and different clients, and I do hand lettering, and I taught this all by myself, and there's resources online that help you. Now, in order to stay relevant in the design industry, you need to constantly be learning. And I don't mean just by watching these videos, which I'm super thankful for. You watch these videos, you probably check out my Instagram and stuff and other YouTube channels, but it's not just about watching videos. It's all about learning actual topics in design and learning not just the theory, but the practical side of that. Websites like Skillshare, who are sponsoring this video, offer you loads of courses from actual experts in the industry. And even though this video is sponsored, it is by no means just me selling something to you. It's actually worked for me. I watch Skillshare videos all the time. My friends in the industry like Ian Barnard and different people actually make Skillshare courses too, and they are legends in the lettering community. If you don't know what Skillshare is, it is an online community where you can learn from professionals from cooking, photography, business, clientele management, freelance design, illustration, painting, iPad painting, anything you can possibly think of is on there. But the best thing it's for is for designers. Now, Skillshare have given you a link down in the description of this video for you to click on right now to get 2 months completely free of Skillshare. So here we go. Here are the best Skillshare courses that I have personally found for you and other designers in the industry. The first one is leveling up your script lettering. Script lettering can be hard. I'm a hand letterer and I've had to learn over the years through watching people, reading books, and even online tutorials such as this one, how I can do script lettering or script calligraphy. Well, my good friend Ian Barnard, who's a hand lettering artist, we went to Iceland once and did the massive lettering. He's got a Skillshare class for you all about making sure your script lettering is leveling up again. He talks about weight, how to distribute the different letters, how the connections flow, and different attributes to the script lettering game that you would never have thought of unless you watch this video. Honestly, I've been doing lettering for ages and I've known Ian for ages, and he's a really smart guy and he has got all of these down to a T, and his script lettering is like no others. So I would encourage you guys to go and check out that Skillshare class down below. It's helped me and thousands of other people in the script or in the lettering community. The second one I would highly recommend you go and check out is Logo Design with Draplin, Secrets of Shape, Type and Color. Now, I'm a logo designer, and when this course first came out a few years ago, it blew my mind looking at someone else's process in such a clean and easy way. Everyone knows Aaron Draplin. He is such a nice guy. He is a really talented individual and really down to earth. And if you wanted to learn more about his process in logo design, choosing your colors, type and shape, then this course is for you. It's really comprehensive and it's a Skillshare original, which means that the production value is it's off the chain. It's really good. The third one is Mastering Logo Design, Gridding with the Golden Ratio by George Boku. I think I'm saying his name wrong, but you'll know what it is. The link's in the description. Now, this course is amazing for anyone who likes this style of logo. If you're someone who struggles to take an object such as what he does in the video, a dog, and make it into a logo design that is really easy to see, that follows the golden ratio and shows you exactly how to do all of that within the class, then this is for you. This class has been invaluable to me because it's allowed me to use Illustrator in a different way. It's shown me a process, and that is the main part about it. When you know the process on how to get A to B, then you know what you're doing for other styles of work. This is the kind of class that you would take if you're someone who's looking to level up their logo design game when it comes to illustrative icon logo design. I use the golden ratio a lot in my work as well, so it's a big part of what I do now. The way that he uses the golden ratio is slightly different, but it works really well. He knows what he's talking about, and he's been proven within his actual portfolio of work. It's great for anyone who is just interested in the design of a logo when it comes to an animal. It will give you motivation and inspiration to create something. The next one is the Logo Type Masterclass with Jessica Heish. If you don't know Jessica Heish, then you've been living under a rock. She is one of the most coolest and most known logo type designers that I aspire to. She's made countless logos. She's great at hand lettering, but she's also amazing at getting logo type design into people's hands. She knows exactly what she's doing, and the way she teaches is really good. My job is actually designing logo types for different companies, and that can be really daunting for some people because they don't know where to start, how it works, or what to do to make it work even better. If you've ever looked at your logo and said, well, it doesn't look professional, then this is the class for you because it actually shows you what to do to make it look professional. And again, it is a complete process. It's about the process and the process of elimination as well when it comes to choosing which design works best. If you're someone who struggles to come up with a good idea, or if you're someone who struggles with the idea of actually doing this as a job, then this is the one for you to watch. The next one is exploring brand identity, Benny Gold. And the idea of this class is to get you to design a brand icon. I'll let you in on a little secret. When I'm designing icons, I get a bit scared sometimes because I spend most of my time working with typography, like logo type design and hand lettering things. So brand icon design can be kind of daunting to me, and I guess that means it can be daunting to some of you guys. Well, Benny Gold is a really great teacher in this class. The idea of the class is to get you to create one yourself, and again, it's about the process. Most of these classes that I'm showing you are all down to the process of doing things. They come with nuggets of gold, but again, the process is king. If you know exactly the process it takes from a professional to go from A to B, then you know exactly what to do for yourself. Benny Gold is a really cool teacher. Again, this is a Skillshare original if you want to check it out. Skillshare originals are really good. If you'd like to get Skillshare completely free for 2 months, click that link down below in the description and you can watch all the classes that I've shown you today. Anything you can really think of, it's in there, especially at client management as well. How do you talk to clients? Which has been one for me that I've held dearly for a long time. Guys, if you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more of me talking about, resources that you can find online to help you do better in your design work, then press that big fat red subscribe button, and also remember to share the video. If you really like this video and you want to show your support, and I mean really like it, press that like button once. But on the other end, if you didn't like this video, press that dislike button twice. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Let's see if we can get to, 1,000 likes on this video. Remember to share this with your friends too. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. See you soon. Goodbye. Peace.